Well, for first of all, I've I still got all these vacuum cleaner catalogs from the from the 90s, mid late 1990s, and also the early 2000s Dirt Devils and the early 1990s Hoovers and the late 90s Hoover Steamers I really did found, and the vintage Bissell Power Partner 3000, I still need to look for that one as well. And the Black Bissell Microlock 7 stages, and the Bissell Power Groom 3400, and the Blue Bissell Power Groom 3000 I'm still looking for. And I already got a Eureka the Boss Plus in a black and gold one already.